Hey, what's up guys, what is going on YouTube? This is Vike Studio here. In this video tutorial I want to show you how I made this flyer design right here in Photoshop. We'll be doing this with Photoshop in just some minutes anyway. So if this is your first time viewing my video here, kindly subscribe because I'll be releasing more tutorials on flyer design or any related design stuff. Okay, just give a like to this video and then let's begin right now. So here are the few steps we'll be taking on before we get this flyer design done. First, we are going to work on our background. Then after that, we are going to work on this text effect you are seeing right here, and then we'll do the rest work. It's going to be easy, guys. I will make this video so easy for you to do. Okay, so the first thing you have to do now is hit on Ctrl N, or you go over to your file here and then you create new file. Okay, so this is the size we'll be using. Width is 6, height is 7, and then we'll be using inches, resolution 300, color mode RGB, very important. And then you hit on OK. You can type in your name here, the name you want to save it out, and then we hit on OK. We start. So the resources I'll be using in this video tutorial will be linked down below for you so that you can get and then practice on your own. Okay, so let me go over to where my resource is and then let me bring that stuff. Okay, let me bring up the background which I'm using here. So this is the background, so I'll import it here and then I'll try to scale this up. So hold on Shift and Alt while you scale this thing, this background like this. Scale it up till you have something like this. Exactly, okay. Till you have something like that, then you go over here and then you check this stuff. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, this, we have our background here. So what I'm going to do is right click on this background here and then you see layer from background. That is okay. And then what I'm going to do, we are going to give this a fill. So what you are going to do is double click on this, and then it will pop up something like this, and then we're going to have gradient fill here. So hit on this gradient and then we're going to give it a gradient. Let's give it we'll have something dark like this. Let's have something dark like this dark yellow, and then let's have something yellow. Let's have something like this, and then we hit on OK. So let's hide this stuff. Let's see what we have. Alright, so what we are going to do to this image background here, we are going to go over to our blending option here, hit on normal, and then we are going to use hard light. Perfect, hard light, perfect. So hard light is perfect for us. And then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pick up this my rectangle here, go over here, pick up this rectangle too, and then draw something like this. Draw a rectangle, and then we are going to fill that with a black color. Fill that with a black color, and then go over to this place where you are seeing this camera sign, something like this. And then you are going to use this feather, increase the feather till you have something like a blur rectangle. Okay, so I hide this stuff, go over, pick and then I move this down a little, something like this. So let me go over to my layer here, that background layer. Let me edit my color again. I need something very sharp. Okay, so go over to this yellow. Let's pick something here, and then let's pick this part again. Let's have something around this piece. Then we hit on OK. And then let's see what we have. All right, so you now see how our background is now looking like. So go over to the image background again, then reduce the opacity to either 80 something. Let's use 80, or let's use something like 72. Yeah, 72 is okay. We are good with 72. Then what you are going to do is go over to your ruler bar, bring your ruler here so that we'll have some guideline on our flyer design. Then let's just have something like this. Okay, so I hope you are getting all the steps I'm following to get my flyer design done. I hope you will like this video. Give this video a like, and then let's continue. Alright, so I'm going to bring up my logo, the church logo, and bring it up down here. Alright, we'll just scale it down around that side, and then check this, and then we leave it around here. Let's reduce that a little. Okay, I think that is okay. And then we check that. Go and pick up your text tool, and then I type the church name. You can use any church name you wish. So I'll be having mine this way. Okay, this one. So I'll change the font to Montserrat bold. Good. So let us fill that with a black color, because black color will be seen in that space there. So pick up this black. I hope you know how to fill that with black color. Select everything and then go and pick up your text tool, and then you go over to your property bar. Then you will be able to see color, and then you fill. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is that text effect which we are seeing here, this text effect which we are seeing here. So we are going to do that quickly, but I will not be taking you through the process on how I did that with COREL, because the typeface I use, the font name I use to get the text is Voyage Bold. You can go and search that on Google, and then you can get the font Voyage Bold. So this is a text effect. So after I type in the text effect in COREL, I exported that as a PNG. Then I brought that to Photoshop here, of which I'm going to leave this Go text effect for you to download. So I brought that to Photoshop. I'm coming, let it open. Okay, this is a text effect. So I brought that to this text effect, and then I edited it, and I have something that I want. So okay, I'll be doing that. I'll be leaving this text effect down below for you to use again. So but for the sake of this tutorial, let me just get this text which I use here for now. So just follow the process which I showed you in the first place, and then you can get this text effect done. So I just copy this text effect from here to my new design. Alright, so I drop it here. So alright, let us just try to place it in a proper way. You know, the reason why we gave this our work a guideline just to help us get a right alignment. Okay, so let's place that in a proper way. So let's shift it to this side a little. Okay, I think we are good to go this way. So alright guys, so the next thing I'm going to do is to go over and then pick up your text tool here. Then we are going to type this following word, that is this. I think it will be this is 6 months. Okay, so highlight everything, select everything, Ctrl A to select everything. And I'll be using another version of Montserrat. Use I think bold will be okay. And then let's change the color to white. Okay, so go over to this this your toggle character, and then we drag that a little to around. Just drag this something like this. Okay, so check this, you can hide your toggle character, hide this panel. So that is that. So take that a little up, and then the next thing, let me bring the pastor's image very shortly. Okay, let me bring this man. Okay, so let me bring it down here. So let's try to hold your shift and your alt to reduce this a little. Increase this. Perfect, like perfect. Good, perfect. So alright guys, the next thing you are going to do is to just pick up your round rectangle that is under this rectangle to here. You click on this drop down, and then you can see round rectangle, and then you draw your two rectangles, fill one with yellow and then fill one with this other brown color. So I hold on Ctrl to select the two rectangles. Let me shift that up a little. So let me just save our time from typing. So let me just go over to our former design, and then let me just bring in the text. Okay, sorry for taking you back. So let me just select the text. Okay, copy. Here, so let's take those tests up. So I'll place it here. Okay, let me try to place it there. So the font I use in that June is called Beber's Nebo, something like that. You can just go search that and then download to use, and then I have something like this. So let me try to adjust this picture here. Bring it down a little. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do is go over here, pick up your rectangle again, and then let's draw. Let us give this our design a footer. So give that a footer, something like just leave it this way. Look at the gradient which I use, just black, and then this black. Well, let us change the black to a little yellow, or this brown color, this brown or dark color. Okay, so we are good to go. And that, and then for the venue, let me just go and bring that up. So I think this part will just be easy for you to just do. Let me not waste time because it has exceeded more than 15 minutes in this video, and I don't want my videos to be long. Okay, so let me bring it down here. Oh, something is missing from there. So the red background on that venue. So what you do, let me zoom closely so do that. pick up your rectangle and then we draw something like this around the venue. Then we go and we'll give that red color. So in order for our red color to be visible enough, let us take this red color below the venue. Okay. So this is what we have. Alright, now this is the final thing we're going to do. That is just let us try to get the name of the pastor here on the design. Okay, let's see, PST is Daniel, not Pastor Daniel. Yeah. So select the text, everything, and then we're going to use the this font, this Beba's Nebo, this BE Beba's Neo. Okay, that is the correct list of. So we have this, and then let's go to our toggle character, and then we are going to do that tracking. We are going to make it 0. Okay, so we pick up and move to, and then I bring the text around here. So let's increase that a little. So our Pastor Daniel is not showing. Okay, so check this, hide this bar, and then boom, our design is here, guys. So what are your thoughts concerning this flyer design? If this video makes sense a little to you, don't forget to give a like to this video and then subscribe. It helps me a lot, it encourages me a lot. Subscribe to this channel, guys. More tutorials will be coming for you. And then remember, this PSD file and then the resources I use in this design will be linked down below for you to download. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like this video, and share this video. I want to see you in my next video. This is Vike Studio signing out. Peace.